Looking for a safer and easier way to fry delicious turkey at home? Best Electric Turkey Fryer on Amazon options deliver fast heating, consistent cooking, and less oil mess, helping you prepare crispy, flavorful meals for family gatherings and holidays. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Chefman 4.5-liter Deep Turkey Fryer. The Chefman 4.5-liter Deep Turkey Fryer is a practical choice for families who enjoy homemade fried foods without the hassle of restaurant visits. Its generous 4.5-liter capacity makes it easy to prepare large batches of French fries, chicken, mozzarella sticks, donuts, and other favorites for gatherings or family dinners. The 1700-watt heating element delivers quick and even cooking, while the adjustable temperature control allows users to achieve the ideal crispness for different recipes. A viewing window in the lid lets you monitor food without releasing heat, helping maintain consistent cooking results. The removable frying basket clips to the side for convenient oil draining, reducing mess during serving. Cleanup is also simple thanks to dishwasher-safe components. Safety features such as the magnetic breakaway cord add extra peace of mind, making this fryer a reliable and user-friendly option for home kitchens. Number 2. Masterbuilt Electric Turkey Fryer. The Masterbuilt Electric Turkey Fryer stands out for its versatility and large cooking capacity. Designed as a 3-in-1 appliance, it can fry, steam, or boil a wide variety of foods, eliminating the need for multiple cooking devices. Its spacious 10.6-quart cooking pot can handle a turkey weighing up to 20 pounds, making it an excellent choice for holiday meals and family gatherings. One of its biggest advantages is its efficient design, which uses significantly less oil than traditional deep fryers, while still producing flavorful results. Safety is enhanced with a magnetic breakaway cord, while the included cooking basket, lifting hook, and drain clips make handling hot food easier. The removable hinged lid and built-in drain valve simplify cleanup by allowing quick disposal of oil or water. Overall, this fryer offers convenience, flexibility, and dependable performance. Number 3. T-fal Deep Fryer with Basket. The T-fal Deep Fryer with Basket combines convenience and performance in a compact yet capable design. Its standout feature is the patented oil filtration system, which automatically filters and stores used oil in a sealed container for future use. This not only reduces waste, but also makes cleanup much easier. The fryer offers adjustable temperature settings from 300 degrees Fahrenheit to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing precise control for a variety of foods, from crispy fries to golden fried chicken. With a 3.5-liter oil capacity and the ability to cook up to 2.65 pounds of food at once, it is suitable for family meals and entertaining guests. Safety is a priority, with features such as a locking lid, cool touch handles, and automatic shutoff for worry-free operation. Cleanup is equally impressive thanks to dishwasher-safe components, including the basket, bowl, lid, and oil storage container. Combining premium construction with thoughtful features, this model delivers both convenience and consistent cooking performance. Number 4. All-Clad Electric Deep Fryer. The All-Clad Electric Deep Fryer is designed for those who want professional-level frying results at home. Its patented oil filtration system automatically filters and stores oil after use, helping maintain oil quality while minimizing kitchen odors. The fryer features adjustable temperature settings ranging from 300 degrees Fahrenheit to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring precise cooking for a wide range of fried foods. With a 3.5-liter oil capacity and the ability to cook up to 2.65 pounds of food at once, it is suitable for family meals and entertaining guests. Safety is a priority, with features such as a locking lid, cool touch handles, and automatic shutoff for worry-free operation. Cleanup is equally impressive thanks to dishwasher-safe components, including the basket, bowl, lid, and oil storage container. Combining premium construction with thoughtful features, this model delivers both convenience and consistent cooking performance. Number 5. CROSSON 6-liter Deep Fryer.
The CROSSON 6-liter deep fryer is built with commercial-grade durability and performance in mind, making it suitable for serious home cooks and small food businesses alike. Equipped with a powerful 1,800-watt heating system and a large 6-liter oil capacity, it can produce crispy fried foods quickly and efficiently. Its German-made Ego thermostat provides highly accurate temperature control, helping ensure consistent cooking results. The fryer includes a large, sturdy basket that is easy to assemble and designed for frequent use. Practical features such as a built-in timer, audible cooking alerts, and copper draining valve improve convenience during operation and maintenance. One particularly useful design element is the swing-up fryer head, which simplifies oil drainage and cleaning. Constructed from thick, commercial-grade stainless steel, the CROSSON fryer offers durability, reliability, and strong frying performance for users who demand professional quality equipment. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon